Okay, Frank, let me ask you. How many provinces in Canada?
10?
Okay, how many provinces in China?
23.
How many provinces in the Philippines?
I don't know. How many?
Believe it or not, 81. Abra, Kalinga, Aurora, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan and Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Leyte, Cagayan, Bulacan and Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Capiz, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Tadlac, Tawi-Tawi, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Hombos de la Valley, Quezon, Zambales, Camarines Sur and Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Sibugay and Del Sur, Albay, Zamboanga del Norte din. There's Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya and Camiguin. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of them. Mabuhay! These are the Philippine provinces. In our 7,107 islands. Davao Oriental and Occidental, Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, Negros Oriental and Occidental, Siquijor Mountain, Southern Leyte, South Cotabato, Catanduanes, Sultan Kudarat, Pangasinan, Misamis Oriental, Iloilo, Nogang Samar and the Eastern one, Surigao del Norte and del Sur, Misamis Occidental, Samar, Lanao del Norte and del Sur, Oriental Mindoro and Rizal, Benguet Antique and Marinduque, Dinagat Islands, then Romblon, Quirino Apayao and Cotabato, Occidental Mindoro, La Union. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of them. Mabuhay! These are the Philippine provinces. In our 7,107 islands.